Mr. Clean and the kids again. You know we on the scene again. The kids them clean again. Yeah. This is some fake cats out there who hating. You know, we do some great things. We are the kids them again. On the scene again. Mr. Clean again, yo. When I say my head sick, yo.
Don't get it twisted.
You think I need pill now?
Don't get it twisted.
I'm just ready to kill now.
Don't get it twisted.
Don't get it twisted.
Don't get it twisted.
When I say my head sick, yo.
Don't get it twisted.
You think I need pill, yo?
Don't get it twisted.
I'm just ready to kill now.
Don't get it twisted.
Don't get it twisted, yo.
Don't get it
Name's
twisted.
Alicia.
Beauty queen, yeah.
Yeah, this shit because she step on the scene, yeah.
My name's Tia.
Beauty queen, yeah. Yeah, this shit because she step on the scene, yeah. And this is Tia. Beauty queen, yeah. Because she step on the scene, yeah. And this Mr. Clean, yeah. Me keep it real, yeah. Yeah, and this me because me step on the scene, yeah. Yo, so when I say my head sick, yo.
Don't get it twisted.
You think I need pill, yo?
Don't get it twisted.
I'm just ready to kill now.
Don't get it twisted.
Don't get it twisted, yo.
Don't get it twisted.
So when I say my head sick, yo.
Don't get it twisted.
You think I need pill now?
Don't get it twisted.
I'm just ready to kill, yo.
Don't get it twisted.
Don't get it twisted, yo.
Don't get it twisted.
So from Clean TV back to BET, ready to set some history to MTV. The music industry, we like it so we see. Some pay to hate them with your envy. Yo, them cannot stop me, cause I'm the real G. So when I say I'm sick, you know that this wanna be. Me have to lock it again, yeah, man. You know we stop it again, yeah, man. I freestyle, you know, yo. So when I say my head sick, yo.
Don't get it twisted.
You think I need pill, yo?
Don't get it twisted.
I'm just ready to kill now.
Don't get it twisted.
Don't get it twisted.
Don't get it twisted.
So when I say my head sick, yo.
Don't get it twisted.
You think I need pill now?
Don't get it twisted.
I'm just ready to kill, yo.
Don't get it twisted.
Don't get it twisted, yo.
Don't get it twisted.
So from Clean TV back to MTV, we lock down BET. When we set the history, you know who we be. You know it's Mr. Clean. You know I'm on the scene. You know, hey, I'm not thing, you know, the real thing. You know how the twisting. We tell them to get it right. So we have to take some set and some pattern. So when I say, everything. So when I say my head sick, yo.
Don't get it twisted.
Think I need pill, yo.
Don't get it twisted.
I'm just ready to kill now.
Don't get it twisted.
Don't get it.
twisted. Don't get it twisted.
Yo, cause Mr. Clean again. I'm on the